Power, quality, innovation. Rittmeyer. Today we are going to show you how to easily set up and implement the latest Rittmeyer clamp-on sensors. Let's start with a basic understanding of the ultrasonic technology of the sensors. Both clamp-on sensors alternately send and receive an ultrasonic waveform. The measured transit time difference of the two waveforms is directly proportional to the mean path velocity. From the mean path velocity in conjunction with the pipe geometry, the flow can be determined. Depending on the pipe size, different measurement arrangements can be done. We support a Z, V and W arrangement. Power, quality, innovation. Our clamp-on solution utilizes the most innovative and powerful state-of-the-art technology. Let's show you the configuration in 3 steps. In the first step, get the following pipe information: pipe diameter, pipe wall thickness, and pipe wall material. In step 2, connect the RISONIC controller to the laptop and start with the configuration of the controller. Open the web configuration page in the browser. Do the login. Add a new measurement section. Then define the clamp-on section with the selected measurement arrangement. In the final step, edit the section data. Enter the pipe height, pipe wall thickness, and the pipe material. Then press the Calculate button on the bottom, and you will get the required sensor distance for the installation of the sensors. Write down the value in a file. Save the configuration to the controller. Now the controller is ready for the measurement. For the installation on site, the following material is required: demo case with the pre-configured controller, laptop, cable, assembly material, the sensors and the protective covers. On site, mark the sensor position. It is very important that the sensor distance corresponds to the calculated value. Clean the pipe at the place where the sensors will be mounted. The arrows on the assembly frame show the signal direction. Put on coupling gel on the sensor and place the sensor inside the frame. Put on the protection cover. Connect the cables to the sensors. Then connect the cables to the controller. And switch on the controller. The green lamp shows that the measurement works, and the measured value is shown on the display. Take a look at the signal the sensors receive. This gives you a good impression about the quality and robustness of the measurement. If the pipe is not magnetic, or if you need a permanent fixing of the sensors, you can glue the assembly frame. To do so, draw lines on the bottom of the frame with a marker and sand the frame until the lines are not visible anymore. Clean the frame again. The whole process is very important, so that the frame sticks to the pipe even under difficult conditions. Using the glue dispenser, press the trigger until glue just starts to come out. Apply the glue on the frame. it is very important that you do not apply too much glue. A thin layer of glue is sufficient. Press the frame with the glue on the pipe. If you remove the sensor from the pipe wall, you will have to clean everything and restart from the beginning. After half an hour, the glue is dry and the frame will be secured to the pipe enough to withstand impacts in typical operating environments. Power, quality, innovation. Rittmeyer.